everybody, Dal here. This door is kind of ancient, and it's a louver door. It works something like this. And if I tighten it down too much, these panel, one especially, tends to break. And that means going to get another one, and the hardware store gives you a bad time about getting a panel this size because of some regulations or something. And so it's a big deal to prevent these from getting broken and having to be replaced. I've went over this a couple of times already, and you can see it's still got room for improvement. And I've got slotted screws in here, and I'm going to replace them with Phillips to make them easier to take in and out should that necessity occur. Here you can feel here, these are so dirty. So get here and try something. Keep after it. What about if I were to take that screen and clean it in the back? We're going to be using the Capital W's bathroom foam cleaner. I think it's the best stuff around for a lot of different projects. And we're going to be putting it on this door screen, because one thing is leading to another on this door project. And we're going to be doing both sides. Even when the more popular name brand is available, I sometimes do this, and I always buy a half dozen or so of these, 'cause you never know. They come up and they just have impressed me with a bunch of different jobs. Try a different one. On. Flat. Let it dry. You have the Phillips clean. Looks a little clean. So we've done some cleaning. We've done some upgrading from slotted screws to Phillips. Easy to get in and out because these have to come off. The screen has to come off if we have to replace another one of these slats. So we figured as long as we were at it, we saw us cleaning. And we're thinking the problem with this in winter is it can't be closed. And I'm thinking that these possibly these screws might be interfering with the mechanism. If that's the problem, the screws can always be installed shorter ones. So not sure that's the problem. It doesn't seem to hurt anything on this side, just this side. So there you have it. Ancient technology. It was either the Phoenicians or the Greeks that invented this. Newer things and better things have come along since. So there you have it, another exhausting Saturday excursion into do-it-yourself work.